in this scene, and these are quotes from Bradley Cooper as he was making the film, he was being interviewed, right? He says he's on stage trying to support her, but his demons won't let him, right? So we still have the debacle, but it's not because he wants to ruin her night. He's trying to be there to support her, and then it's embarrassing and terrible and sad. And also, he says that at the end of the movie, she's just starting, right? And what she's going to create is going to be bigger than what we've seen prior. That means her movie isn't this movie, that her movie is the next one, which will never be made. That means this is the Jackson Maine story. And that's not what I signed up for. I signed up for the star, the female star being born. So I think that's a huge change that he, as a male writer, has brought to this franchise. You look at the writing credits, right? So if Bradley wrote it with this guy, Will Fetters. If you go to the Writers Guild, when you have time, when it's open again in the library, they have a copy of the first draft. And if you read it to compare to the film that you saw in 2019, you will be shocked because it is not brilliant. It is this guy who's an Academy Award winner for Forrest Gump, and I think he has 2 Academy Awards, Eric Roth, who came in to do the rewrite that really molded the piece. But he's taking the ideas that Bradley Cooper had, which are to focus more on Jackson Maine's character. They base themselves on the Moss Hart screenplay, right? So by the time we're done with this, Dorothy's name has finally disappeared entirely, even though all the bones of it are really still there and really still her, if you ask me.